Hello student. Today we are going to study an important measuring instrument in physics called the Vernier Caliper. A Vernier Caliper is a precision instrument used to measure external diameter of object, second internal diameter of hollow object, and third depth of container. Okay, it gives us measurement more accurately than an ordinary scale. If someone asks you, what do you understand by vernier caliper? You will simply say that a vernier caliper is an instrument used to measure length accurately up to a fraction of a millimeter or a centimeter. It consists of two scales. One is main scale, one is main scale, and another is vernier scale. Okay. First, main scale means it is a fixed scale where it doesn't move anywhere. It is a main scale where it doesn't move anywhere. What is the use of main scale? Measure length in centimeter and millimeter. Measure length in centimeter or a millimeter. And second is vernier scale. Vernier scale means sliding scale. It is moved and in a main scale. Okay. Help to measure. What is the use of vernier scale? Help to measure a small fraction of a main scale division. Okay. First, types. What are the things are attached to a main scale divisions or vernier scale divisions are? First, external or outside jaw. That is external measuring jaw. That means it is used to measure. It is used to measure the outside diameter. Okay, or thickness, or we can say width. Okay. What is the use of outside jaw? Diameter. It is used to measure diameter. It is used to find thickness or width. Okay. This between the object is kept between these two scales, vernier scales and main scales. Okay. And find the measurement of that object. And second is internal measuring jaw, is called inside jaw. What is the use of inside jaw? Used to measure internal diameter of hollow object. Okay. That means it is used to measure the internal diameter. What diameter? Internal diameter. And third is depth rod. What is called depth rod? It is used to measure the depth of an object. Getting my point? Okay. So if someone asks you that what are the principle of vernier caliper, you can say easily that the difference between the value of one main scale division and one vernier scale division helps in measuring very small length accurately. That means what I am saying to you, one main scale division difference of one vernier scale division gives the more accurately measurement of an small length accurately. Okay. And the other formula I will discuss later. And the second slide, zero error. What? Zero error. The zero error means what? When the jaw are completely closed and the zero of the vernier scale. Okay. That means what I am saying to you, zero error are first, zero error absent. That means when zero error are not positive or not negative. That means when jaw are closed, zero of a vernier scale coincide with the zero of main scale. That means zero of the main scale coincide with the zero of the vernier scale. Both are in same line. Okay. That we will say on that time zero error absent. Okay. Zero error absent when the both are main scale and vernier scale are coincide with same line. Okay. And the second is positive zero error. When we classify a zero error into two categories, which one is positive zero error and another is negative zero error. Positive zero error when the vernier scale zero is ahead of the main scale. When jaw are closed, zero of a vernier scale is right of zero of the main scale. Getting this zero is right of the main scale. This is a main scale zero and this is a vernier scale zero. Okay. It is right of the main scale or ahead of the main scale. This zero, this is called positive zero error. And the negative zero error, when the main scale zero and vernier scale zero, it is behind the main scale zero. That means when a jaw are closed, zero of a vernier scale is to the left of the zero of the main scale. It is left to the zero of a main scale. This is called zero of a main scale and this is called zero of a vernier scale. Okay. This is called negative zero error. Getting? And the next slide we will discuss some formula related to this topic. Vernier caliper all important formula. First we will find the least count. We can find the least count via two method. One is division method and one is difference method. Division method, when we divided value of main scale division, one main scale division via number of Vernier scale division. That means the given one main scale division by total number of Vernier scale division. First we find, if someone's second formula asks you, then we can find also a least count via difference of one main scale division subtract from one Vernier scale division. That means difference between the main scale division minus one Vernier scale division. Okay, getting to the next point. Total reading, how can I find total reading? That means sum of main scale reading plus sum of Vernier scale reading. This is nothing but a Vernier scale reading formula. Vernier scale reading formula, what? P into least count. P is coinciding division, where both the scales are coincide together in a same parallel line, and the least count where we measure, where we find out before Vernier scale reading. Okay, both are multiplied to find out Vernier scale reading. When we sum main scale reading and Vernier scale reading, we get total reading of the instrument. Okay, and the next slide, very important formula, Vernier scale reading we have already discussed. P into LC, that P is nothing but only a coinciding division with both the scales, MSD or VSD, that is Vernier scale and main scale. Another formula, correct reading, total reading subtract zero error, total reading minus zero error, we get the correct reading. And the formula to find out the zero error, when we coincide division multiply by least count, we will get the zero error. Getting my point? We can find any numerical solved using this formula. We have already discussed the numerical problem from the in-text book of Selina publications. We have already discussed. If you want to see the numerical problem, you can go to the playlist of ICSE. Okay, thank you everyone.